the name of the chapter is the circulatory system. As you watched, I made some videos related to this topic and this chapter, in which I made you understand how our blood moves throughout the body, and the process is known as the circulatory system. The main components of the circulatory system are heart, blood, and blood vessels. In heart, I made you understand there are 4 chambers. In heart, there are 4 chambers, and the heart is divided into 4 parts. The upper two, and we can say that left and right, and upper 2 is known as auricle, and the lower 2 is known as ventricles. Right? So here what we have: left auricle, right auricle, left ventricle, and right ventricle. Right? So by all the combination, we can see that there are 4 chambers in heart. Blood. It is also has 3 parts. First, we study about the RBC. Second, we study about the WBC and platelets. What the function of this? The function of the platelets is to clot the blood, internal or external. What the work of the WBC? The work of the WBC to help us to not to infected from the germs, and it increases our immune system. The first one is the RBC, is the red in color. Why? Because in blood there is a pigment called hemoglobin. Because of that, our blood is red. And this is the blood which moves throughout our body. And the movement of the blood we study in the system, that's called the circulatory system. Today, so in the previous video, I have discussed about heart and blood. Now today, I am going to discuss about the blood vessels. There are 3 types. There are 3 types of blood vessels. The first one is arteries. Number second what we have is the veins. And number third we have capillary. We have capillaries. But before that, what are blood vessels? We'll understand with the help of definition. Let's see. Blood vessels. The blood circulates through a network of tubes called the blood vessels. So here the definition of the blood vessel. So what is the definition? According to definition, is a network of tubes. Is a network of tubes which circulate the blood throughout the body, and this type of network is known as blood vessels. And the blood vessels are divided into three parts. First we study about arteries. Number second we study about veins, and at last we will study about the capillary. Capillaries. So now we are going to discuss about arteries. So arteries, the blood which rich in oxygen, flows through a tube and flows through a number of tubes. That tubes are known as arteries. Now I am going to make you understand what is the artery, and what are the arteries with the help of definition. Arteries. The blood vessel that carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. Are called arteries. So this is the structure of arteries. Suppose, and there are many smaller branch out from the artery. These smaller tubes are known as arterioles. And this is artery. So from artery, the small tube branch out, and that smaller tubes are known as arterioles. Number second, we are going to study, and according to the arteries, what are arteries? Arteries are those types of tubes, the arteries are those types of tubes in which oxygen needed blood flows through. Means arteries. What is the work of the arteries? To carry the blood away from the heart to the different parts of the body. Now, the next I'm going to discuss about veins. What is the function of the vein? So, the work of the artery is to carry away the blood from the heart to different parts of the body, and it's just opposite of the arteries, that's called the vein. Means the blood which carry away from the parts of the body to the heart is, and this type of network of tubes is known as veins. The blood vessel, that carry blood back to the heart. The blood vessels that carry blood back to the heart is and are known as veins. Now, the veins are of two types. The first one is superior vena cava, and the second is inferior vena cava. What are they? So here, to understand what is superior vena cava and what is inferior vena cava. Superior means the tubes and the network of tubes which are above the heart. The network of tubes which are above the heart is known as superior vena cava, and the tubes of network which are below the heart are known as inferior vena cava. The definition is so simple to remember. Above the heart, that's called the superior vena cava, and below the heart, that's called the inferior vena cava. The next topic is capillary. What are capillary? What are capillaries? The smallest blood vessels, are called capillaries. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. So we have one question in our mind, that what are the works and what is the work of capillary? They have very thin walls, and all exchange of materials takes place at the capillary level. So, what are capillaries? They are the smallest blood vessels. They are smallest blood vessels, and the function is it is the level at which exchange of materials takes place. Capillary is the level at which exchange of material takes place. Now, the next topic which I am going to discuss, how our blood moves throughout the body. The movement of the blood throughout the body will study and will understand in 5 points. So here we are going to discuss blood circulation. Blood circulation. The first is the impure blood. The impure blood containing carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide is released by various organs of our body. This impure blood is carried by the blood vessel to the heart. So the first step of the blood circulation from different parts of the body, carbon dioxide is released, and the blood vessel carry this blood away from the various organs of the body to the heart. In the second term or point, the impure blood, the heart pumps the impure blood to the lung. The first step here we discussed. The heart receives the blood from different parts of the body with the help of blood vessel. After receiving the bad blood or impure blood, it pumps to the lung. It pumps to the lung. Or the number third point, in the lungs, carbon dioxide is expelled out. From the blood, and oxygen is observed. In first point we have studied to receive the blood from different parts of the body by heart, and after receiving, the heart pumps the impure blood to the lungs. And number third point we have studied the lungs. In the lung, the exchange of gases take place. The carbon dioxide is expelled out from the blood and oxygen is observed by the blood. In number 4 point, number 4, blood vessels carry this oxygen blood, rich blood back to the heart. And after receiving this oxygen-rich blood, the heart pumps to the different parts of the body. The heart pumps this oxygen-rich blood to other parts of the body. The combination of these 5 points complete the circulatory system. The combination of these 5 points complete the circulatory system. Now I am going to make you understand by the help of figure. Now, for what we have to draw? We have to draw 8. What we have to draw? 8. Why? Because the circulation of the blood takes place in double cycle. Circulation of the blood takes place in double cycle. In the middle, what we have? We have heart. At the top, what we have? Lungs. And in the bottom, what we have? Parts of the body. The first point was the heart received impure blood from different parts of the body. And after receiving the impure blood, which is rich in carbon dioxide, it pumps to the lung. It pumps to the lung. What is the blood? It is the impure blood which is rich in carbon dioxide. And in lungs, the blood expelled of the carbon dioxide and absorb the oxygen. So here the oxygen, the bad blood is exchanged into oxygenated rich blood. So after exchanging of the gas, the heart receives the blood from the lung, which is rich in oxygen. And after receiving the blood from the lung, it pumps the oxygenated blood to the different parts of the body, and this is known as the double cycle system. And these all processes combine together to form the circulatory system. So I hope I made you understand better about this chapter, and in the next video I'll make you understand about a healthy heart or a yoga route to a healthy heart. Till then, thank you very much.